In the market, we have plenty opportunities to trade. We have a lot of assets. We have futures. We have stocks, cryptocurrencies, a lot of bunch of trading styles and patterns and strategies and all this. And I want to say that trading, for example, I trade only ES Micro and Bitcoin, and these two, I think to trade them, it's a little bit harder than trade something else. I don't know, I'm pretty sure know why, but for example, in the past, I was trading only stocks, and it was only stocks in play. These stocks have some news, they have some gap, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20%. They have elevated volume, related volume that's elevated from the regular time. And these stocks floated by a lot of players, a lot of people, a lot of institutional buyers and sellers and all this. And no matter what, in most of the time, it doesn't matter what the overall market, for example, S&P is doing, it can sell off all day, but this stock, based on the news, on all demand it has, it's gonna finish high of the day. And it's kinda, I was like, I was love all this type of trading, but it's kind of a little bit messy because it's a lot of preparation. You need to have a lot of screeners. You have Finviz, you have TradingView, you have a watch list. You look at 3, 4, 5 different stocks, and I was trying to minimize it and make it like 1 or 2 stocks to watch. But during the trading day, you just enter and you just go to the Finviz and you go to the gainers. I don't remember how it's called, gainers or something, and you see some stock, gap up 30%. It has no pre-market data. It's just right away, right off the bell, it's through 20-30% gap up. You see a pattern, and you kind of try to force trading, and it's kind of a little bit messy, really messy. And I choose not to trade them and stick with Bitcoin and ES Micro, because I have my levels, I have my alerts, I have my playbook. I trade only one playbook, so it's pretty simple and basic, and you don't overwhelm yourself with all this data, with all this pump and dump, and need 4 or 5 different screens and watch every tick. It's a full-time job, and I don't want it. I mean, I do want it, but not this way. So for me personally, it was the right approach to trade only. I was trading only as micro, but now I found some same approach in Bitcoin. So I'm kind of trying to trade also Bitcoin, and I feel pretty good with this. I'm not messy. The price development is is slow. You have your levels, you have the alert. You want to watch the chart, watch the chart. You don't want to watch the chart. You just put an alert and do whatever you want to do. And when the alert is hit, you just open your trading view, you watch what happened and all this. So I don't know, it's kinda feels good for me. And I hope a lot of people who kinda cannot find its own approach with trading, or try to trade all kind of assets we have, need to stick to the one approach, not one stock, because you cannot trade always, for example, Apple or Tesla. It's not gonna work. But one field, one area, kinda. You want stocks, okay, stick with the stocks. You want futures, stick with the futures. Crypto, stick with the crypto. And it's kinda the all mess and all noise that you have kind of disappears, for me at least. So I don't know. I wish you find your approach. I hope you will find your approach. If not, you will. And with the God bless, with the God help, everything will be good.